Hi guys, it's the Panda here once more with another video of watermelon flipping. If you like my videos, remember to slap that like button and subscribe if you're new to my channel. And if you want gaming videos, just please tell me in the I don't know, comments how to do it, okay? So guys, out here works way better. Have more luck. So let's go right on.
Lucas, dile que fue donde hiciste el primer video.
I'm so close yet so far. One, told you. I'm so close. Did it once more. One more. I didn't. One. For that guy, but here's the snap trapeze thingy, and I want to do my last thing for this video with a trapeze. Now our special thing. Hey, look, you're putting your fingers in it. There. So this is how. It's the real wrecking ball. So if you know that song, you just have to go on. Go to the page. So yeah. Remember, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and smash or slap that like button if you want more of the videos. And if you want this mysterious kid in my Jenga videos, please smash that like button and peace out.